Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all having a fantastic day today. We have got an exciting topic lined up for you. We are diving into the world of text effects. Before we get started, let's talk about our tools. We will be using Adobe Express, which is an amazing free software for creating stunning visual content. If you have not tried it yet, now is the perfect time. Test effects can take your designs from ordinary to extraordinary. They add that extra flair, that wow factor. And guess what? You're not stopping at just one or two effects. No, please. We have got 10 different text effects to explore today. But wait, there we are learning up with our trusty sidekick, Copilot, to generate some mind-blowing text effect prompts. Copilot says hello to our awesome viewers. Next, all right, let's jump right into it. Grab your creative hats because we are about to create some magic. Remember, all the links and resources will be in the video description. So make sure to check out that. Now let's showcase the 10 test effects. Firstly, open Copilot. Type Copilot. Click on first link available in your browser. Then here type the text prompt as I wish to generate a text effect prompts for my project. Please provide 10 different text effect prompts which should look amazing. Click on submit. I will provide the text prompt in description. Don't worry about that. See, it is generating the 10 different text prompts, right? Then copy the first one, Control C, go to other tab, type Adobe Express, click on Adobe Express, it's opening, click on Get Adobe Express Free, now it's opening Adobe Express. After that, okay, we will add some text here, or you can directly go to main page, click on plus button, click on quick actions, click on text effects. Now it's open. See, right? We can resize the screen also. I want to make 1280 into 720. Click on resize. Okay. Then again click on this one. Click on text effects. We can use these text effects also. For example, click on this one. These are all pre-built designs, right? It is generating. See how it looks good. Click on another one. Again, it will generate. These are all inbuilt commands. Suppose if you want to make your own design, then we have to write a text prompt. For that purpose only, we created some text prompts. Neon blue. Copy this one. Go to this one. Paste the prompt here. Click on submit. Generate. See generated. Okay. Again, go to Copilot. Click on liquid metal. Control C. Control V. Generate. See, this is liquid. If you wish to download this one, click on this one. Click on download. Click on download. That's it. It has been downloaded. As I promised, I will show you 10 text prompts. Again, go to Enhanced Forest. Control C. Again, came here. Adobe Express. Control V. Click on Generate. Again, it's generated. Okay, before that, I will copy another text prompt also. See, okay, then I'm pasting the copied text prompt. Click on Generate. I will show you up to 10 text prompts. See, it's also looking good. Suppose if you want to design manually, is it possible? I hope so. It is not possible. But within seconds, we can able to create these text effective prompts. Okay. Then I will go to another one. All these prompts I will share in description. Control V. Generate. Then I am copying another prompt. Control C. See, it is also looking good. Control V. Again, click on generate. Control C. Oh wow, This is something looking surreal. Okay, then I'm again copying the prompt. Click on generate. Copied another text prompt. This is looking crazy. Okay, paste, generate. I will go to this one, another prompt, copied. Yeah, something it is looking like Bahubali. Yeah? Control V. See, it is taking less than a minute. Suppose your system RAM is high, it will generate in seconds also. This is pixel type art. See, at last, I am copying the last text, 10th text prompt. Copy, paste it. Click on generate. Guys, if this information is found helpful, please click on like button, guys. Right, it's also looking crazy. I will use this one on my website. I hope so. This information is helpful for your website or YouTube or anything else. You can post in social media, all these things. Suppose if found this information helpful, please click on like button and share it to your community.